Welcome to ID's Industry Insights. We'll be right back.
Before we get started, I wanted to remind you to hit that like button. And also, if you want to subscribe to our podcast, hit that button down in the bottom right corner there, and that'll get you subscribed. We do appreciate you being here. Let's get started.
Hello, welcome to FabTech 2024. I'm speaking with Rick Arcaro today from HYDMECH. And Rick, why don't you get us started by telling us a little bit about yourself and HYDMECH?
Basically, I'm Rick Arcaro, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for HYDMECH. I've been with the company 27 years. I started in this industry in 1986. Basically, only the third job I've ever had. So it's a great industry. I enjoy it quite a bit. It's an addictive industry. You get to see new stuff every single day. You're never stale, and that's what's also great about working for HYDMECH. We're not a stale company. Very, very progressive, innovative, and just a great place to work. A lot of good people.
Rick, what distinguishes HYDMECH's products from your competitors in the market?
You know, paid jobs, it's where everybody starts. You're not paying a saw guy what you're paying a welder, machinist, or whatever. We have to develop machines to keep up with production technology, but yet the guy or gal that just got done sweeping the floor may be a saw operator that day. Our machines, bar none, are the easiest to run in the industry. We're the only machine tool builder that actually gives you directions, door chart in our PLC on our machine, how to run it. So if your operator's not there today, somebody can come over and be a saw operator and keep your production. Our machines are built with a lot of common components. Anything on a saw that we don't machine, weld, or fab, you can buy at a local supply house. So supply chain issues, replacement parts are very simplistic on HYDMECH machines. We don't apologize. Our machines are built very, very large, very heavy. We got a weight problem. So, but we have machines in the field. As a 47-year-old company, we have 47-year-old machines that are still running today.
Can you explain some key innovations from your new product line?
So keeping up with the markets, one thing coming out of COVID taught a lot of people a lot of things, how to deal with supply chain, but more so how to deal with labor, and I believe more the lack of labor. I don't think there's an industry out there that's not complaining about hiring people. You can't find anybody. Our industry, you go to our factories and we put a hiring sign out in front, and you look down the road and your neighbors are doing the same thing. So we're fighting for an employment pool of people. We're getting a lot of people, a lot of hotel, restaurants, entertainment, because that industry is really yet to fully recover. So our machines have to be easy, simple, non-intimidating to run. So that basically, again, distinguishes us, from, some of the other guys. The innovation part of it is being able to walk up to the machine, hit a couple buttons, and off you go. Some of our competitors, it just takes a lot more of a talented operator, and I certainly don't mean that with any disrespect, but in the talent market, we get what we get. And they can go up to the machine with a comfort level and say, I can do this, and do it efficiently for the company. So the innovative we've had, our innovations we have, we were easier to operate than we were 10 years ago, 15 years ago. Our production levels are higher. A lot of that's due to components on machines. In fairness to our market, a lot of it's due to the blades. We build the machine, we don't build the blades. The innovation of blades have come a long way in the last 10 years as well. We sell automation daily. One thing that the sawing market has now held to a bit of a different standard. 10, 12 years ago, everybody saws a saw. Now they're referred to as machine tools. And it's a big difference. And you've got people, buying high-end shear, press brake, and lasers. And now our machine's going next to them. So we have to have curb appeal. We have to have fit and finish. We have to look right. We have to run right and run competitive. Again, going back to the lack of labor, how do you reduce it? Material handling, innovation, processing, load, giving an operator a chance to run multi-machines versus is one. So, material handling and innovation of that is critical to our industry. The more you handle a part, the more expensive it becomes. So the least amount of time to get it from start to finish is where we, are held to a different, level than some of our competitors. There's good machine builders out there, don't get me wrong. We're just a little unique in that area.
What market segment or customer type do y'all target?
HYDMECH for a lot of years has always been a leader in fabrication. A lot of our machines have the capability to miter cut angles, shapes, products. That's where the business started. The owner of the company was the innovator of the first bandsaw machine where the head moved instead of the material. If you go out and Google an S20, it's the highly most recognized machine name and brand in the world. It's the most copied machine name and brand in the world. So that's got to be, some sort of flattery. We must be doing something right. Through the years, we've developed a much better standard of just straight cutting for the chip industry. So where we hung our hat in fabrication, we've certainly now compete daily in the chip market. So we've become a very large Swiss Army knife type company that we can walk into the small 2-person machine shop to the service centers or automotive plants, forgers that may be employing, 300 people. And we fit all market segments.
Well, Rick, we're getting toward the end of the year. Do you have any special deals or promotions going on?
We do. HYDMECH's offering a package on our machines as far as we use the word loosely on show promotions. What do you do when the show's over? Why does anything change? From now until mid-December, we're offering a 7% discount on several of our machines and accessories and packages. So, we're looking to keep our backlog moving. One challenge for us is we're already booking into 2025 Q1, unfortunately some Q2. We've had a very good year, and I'm certainly not going to apologize for that for lead times, but it's a challenge. I still got to give somebody an incentive to wait for a HYDMECH because there are other choices out there. So I believe we're worth the wait.
Rick, I do appreciate you being with me today, and maybe we can catch up with you at a future time and see how it's going.
We do that.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
Uh-huh.